Welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we're at the big jumps again. Got the Traxxas 4x4 totally modded out. What I'll do is a little individual video of them before we smash them up. And we got the Traxxas E-Maxx as well. Member system in there. We'll do a little run round on that as well. So show you around the cars, chuck them on the track, show you what to do, stitch it together. See you in a bit. Right then guys, so first up we've got the Traxxas 4x4 with a metallic Raptor body shell, looking real swish, all brand new. Minus the dirt, guys, that is brand new out today. Got the bead locks from Proline with trenchy tyres on underneath the body. So you've got a V10 hobby wing system underneath that dust there, there you go. We've got the GTR shocks, them fat bad boys. Can take an absolute beating. Them ain't going to be leaking today. Upgraded diffs back and front, and also a upgraded slipper and spur. Real nice piece of kit, guys. So you're going to see this thing sending it in a bit. Also another thing, Proline quick release body shell holders. Real nice little piece of kit. You just thumb twist them and they ain't going to come loose, unlike the body clips that you keep losing. Real nice piece of kit. Right, onto the Traxxas E-Maxx. Right, so Traxxas E-Maxx, you guys have seen loads of these. It is one of my all-time favourite trucks, guys. It's been around for some years. Also with the subscribe sticker on the side, don't forget to do it. Got a basher body shell on this, nothing special. Under the lid though, we got a full Mamba system. Real nice piece of kit. Stock 8 shocks on there. I think the only major upgrade on this is steel drive shafts all around, so no more twisted plastic drive shafts. Everything else, guys, though, is stock. Currently running 6S. Let's see what it can do on the track. Yo. Again. Yes, send it. Ah. He's got all 4 wheels spinning again, guys. What's he gonna do next? gonna send it in to himself. Right then guys, so there you have it, the Traxxas 4x4 Slash and the Traxxas 4x4 E-Maxx. Did not disappoint at the jumps today guys, sent it big time, broke it. I'm actually going to put a second video on here of the moment that the E-Maxx broke. We have temporarily bodged it together with some nylon rope, but guys, check it out, it's been an awesome day. Please rate, comment and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! I know guys, completely nuffed the E-Maxx, look at this! Damage! Oh.